Okay, so I finally have the Mate series in my hands. I'm holding the Mate 20 Pro. There's also the Mate 20X and the Mate 20 itself that have been launched right here. But all three phones have similar design aesthetics. I of course have the rose gold variant here, but they have three cameras located at the back in this square-like manner in the center. And of course the Mate 20 Pro comes with an inbuilt fingerprint scanner right on the screen. Other than that, all three phones come with a very high-end KIRIN 980 chipset. These are one of the first few phones in the world to come out with this chipset. And actually this chipset competes with the likes of the 812 Bionic chip of Apple. But other than that, it has a lot of artificial intelligence capabilities. But let's take a look at all these three phones. What are the specifications that they pack in and when are they going to be available in India?
At a grand launch event, Huawei launched one of the most anticipated smartphone series of the year. Meet the Mate 20. This series comes after the Mate 10 that was largely successful. But the Mate 20 is not alone. It was launched along with a much bigger sibling, the Mate 20X, and the slightly more premium Mate 20 Pro. The designs of the phone are slightly unique with a 3-camera setup at the back, or what Huawei likes to call the Matrix setup. The cameras are in a 4-point design at the back. The Mate 20 and 20X come with a fingerprint scanner at the back, while the Mate 20 Pro has an in-display fingerprint scanner. But what went into this very unique and premium design language?
We can put this camera to the center, which give us the space. We can make that, optimize it to achieve the best, like the thinness and compactness. Now, this is how we put that in a camera to the center. And then we have a 3-camera and a flash all together. So there's many elements together.
Let's get hands-on with the phones. The Mate 20 series comes with a crisp OLED display, and as big as these phones seem, they were not too heavy to hold and operate. The glass back makes them wireless charge ready, but there's a twist here that gives them an added edge over competition. The Mate 20 series has something called reverse charging, which means it acts as an external Qi wireless charger, and it can charge up another phone that needs the juice just by placing it at the back like this. The Mate 20 Pro comes with enough juice. It has a large 4200 mAh battery and it comes with a supercharger as well that promises to get the handset up to 70% charge in just 30 minutes. The large Mate 20X is supported by a massive 5000 mAh battery. The Mate 20 series comes with what Huawei calls a higher intelligence, the high-end KIRIN 980 chipset. This is the highest performing system on chip to date from Huawei and makes its debut with the flagships this year. The large Mate 20X can be bought with this gaming controller, which changes it into a complete gaming pad. There is a cooling technology in the Mate 20X, which makes this an out-and-out gamer's phone. But let's come down to the camera on the phones. The Mate 20 sticks to Leica lenses at the back. The Matrix camera is slightly different on the Mate 20 and the Mate 20 Pro. The Mate 20 Pro has a 40 megapixel main camera, a 20 megapixel wide-angle camera and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens. And in fact, the Pro has one of the largest camera sensors in the industry. There's also a macro lens feature that gets activated when zoomed in. This can take very clear and sharp images of objects placed as close as 2.5 centimeters from the lens. There is a portrait mode which provides great depth with the help of the trio camera, and there is an AI color video mode which follows the subject and keeps them in color while keeping the rest of the surrounding black and white. There's also 3D face detection on the Mate 20 Pro, but this is not the only place the 3D nature of the phone comes to life. This phone, with the help of AI, can detect the volume of objects in front of it and even tell users the calories consumed of certain food items. That is smart for sure. But Huawei has also been thoughtful and gone the extra mile, and these phones have a waterproof case with which underwater shots can be taken easily. Well, let's get down to brass tacks. The Mate 20 is priced at a starting price of €799 for the 4GB RAM variant, which is around 67,400 rupees, while the premium Mate 20 Pro starts at €1,049 for the 6GB RAM variant, which is around 88,500 rupees. The phones will be available in India in November. And like its predecessor, the Mate 20 also has a luxury variant by Porsche, the Mate 20 RS. It has a customized design and is priced steep at €1,695. All in all, the Mate 20 series takes on the latest flagships by Google, Apple and Samsung with high-end specifications and very new shiny AI features. It makes it an exciting series to watch out for. Once it comes to India, we will do an in-depth review.